An advocacy group that calls itself the Save Bangsamoro Movement has launched a last-ditch attempt to revoke or put on hold the implementation of the law that sets aside or allocates funds for the Bangsamoro government. The group claims the law in question arbitrarily slashes the proposed budget for education by close to 19%. As we hear more from our RR Tubise.
Mabuhay ang Bangsamoro!
The Save Bangsamoro movement has filed a petition before the Supreme Court against Bangsamoro Autonomy Act No. 85. This law allocates funds for the operations of the Bangsamoro government. According to the group, the law allegedly violates a provision in the Constitution that gives top priority to education.
Sa proposed bill po na 32 billion ay binawasan po, tinapesan ng 6 billion ang education sector. Naging 26 billion na lang. Ito po ay napakalaking kawalan.
The group also emphasized that funding for social services and the agriculture sector was also reduced. They claimed that reduced funds were reallocated to funds under the discretion of the Chief Minister.
47 billion po out of 114 billion. So lahat ng 47 billion na ito, nasa control lahat ng Chief Minister. So yung transparency, yung accountability, yun po yung ating gustong i-clarify dito. Ito po, wala pong malinaw na patutunguhan, wala pong malinaw na detalye.
The group insists that their move is not political. It is simply a call for clarity from the court.
Hindi naman kami mga politiko, kami po ay mga ordinaryong mga citizen. Let the court decide, let the court says ano ang sinasabi ng korte, yun po yung masusunod. Una, magpalabas ang Supreme Court ng TRO muna para hindi muna ma-implement ito, and then of course ang pinaka-main natin dito ay i-declare ng Supreme Court na ang BA 85 na ito ay unconstitutional.
The group added that this is not just a budget issue, but one that affects the future of education of the youth in Bangsamoro. The group is awaiting the Supreme Court's decision whether it will grant the request to halt or temporarily suspend the implementation of the law after reviewing their petition. RR Tubise from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.